Hello, everyone, and welcome to another podcast of BNI Amigos. I am Radha Agarwal, and today we have with us Mr. Hanumant Gupta, who is in the category of IT FinTech in BNI Amigos. So, welcome, Hanumant, to this episode of our podcast. So, why don't you tell us something about yourself?
Thank you so much, Radha, for having me here. I really enjoy being part of podcast.
Yes.
And about me, I'm a retired Navy captain who did 21 years of service in the Indian Navy.
Wow.
After doing my 21 years, I started liking more about the IT space, and seeing the technology in the Navy made me further go deeper in the space of IT. Whilst I was doing that, I found FinTech to be my calling, and therefore I chose to work with Habil Labs, a company which is in IT FinTech services and presently does work with 25 NBFCs.
Wow, that is a beautiful journey that you have with you. So I have some questions for you, and which might be very interesting for our audience to understand. So the very first question would be, what is that one costly technology mistake that people do before choosing a software development program or an AI partner for their business?
So many companies get into a digitization program with no clear clarity of what problem they're trying to solve.
Right.
They are having a business problem. They think digitization will solve it. It's like they're thinking they want to build the road as they're traveling. But that's not how good technology or digital transformation happens, or an AI use case happens. Firstly, we need to understand what is the pain point in a business that needs to be addressed.
Right.
Does technology solve that? Do I have the data for it? How do I organize myself? These are the questions that a good technology partner will ask you, and that technology partner will thereafter translate those things into a good outcome-based solution. Once that is in place, the implementation starts.
Right.
Now, if you go with a very novice company, it will say yes to everything. It will try to close everything that comes its way. But there is a lot of value in that too. But a more robust business requires a more established company with a good quality control process, with a good governance, with a good risk, with a good documentation process for the software that they're trying to provide.
All right. That's so wonderful. Thank you, Hanumant, for that insight. All right. So, yes, Hanumant, why don't you tell us, is there any success story that you can share with us where you solved something which solved their major digital problem or AI transformation problem?
One of our client is NBFC, a major NBFC in a country, and they were facing problem that they were distributed documents lying everywhere in their multiple branches, and these people face difficulty in doing processes. 80% of the employee time was getting wasted in just pulling out the documents and just being able to access it, or there was a lot of communication happening within the organization just to get the document on the right person for the approval at the right time. So we brought in a software solution called a document management system, which we call it as DocuSwift. It's a cloud native platform. We don't require a server here, and we, using a lot of smart techniques, have ensured that this document flows in the way that company wants. The company itself has the right to change the flow whenever they want to. It's a very frugal architecture, and we implemented that from the word go in a duration of 1.5 months, where 60 terabyte of data was moved from the legacy system to a new system completely. And once there, because it's a cloud native solution, there are multiple AI solutions that we brought in. These AI solutions helped in reducing the TATs, helped in that is total turnaround time for that business. We helped them show that how their clients were more satisfied because they had to do lesser calls on following of whatever actions they wanted to from that NBFC to be done, and that resulted in overall saving of human resource for them, because now less time is being utilized for doing the same job, and these human beings were being utilized for a better work inside the company.
Absolutely, that's a wonderful thing.
That's how we brought an impact on that company, and today that company is a flag bearer for us.
Wow.
It goes everywhere talking positive about our company's products.
That's an amazing success story. Thank you so much, Hanumant. You not only help them become efficient, but also it is environment friendly.
Yes.
So that's fantastic. So Hanumant, who is your ideal client now, and what situation should BNI members look for when they are looking for referral partners for you?
So my ideal client would be an NBFC, and more specific, a housing finance company, which is facing large amount of documentation related speed issues, which is facing issues related to onboarding their clients. So what BNI referral partner could look out for me would be indication when NBFC tells you that I'm having large amount of human resource doing a repetitive work, spending a lot of time in onboarding a client. When there is a company which is looking for a voice bot which is AI enabled to acquire new customers, when there is a company looking for a voice bot to recover loans, we could also be a good partner when a company would like to move to a cloud environment. There would be companies which are looking for a video monitoring solution for their banks in multiple locations where they want to monitor the footfalls, how many people are there, what gender people are coming, are their own employees working, or are they sitting idle all the time. So these kind of solutions we can provide to an NBFC, to a bank, to any other large corporates that are looking to improve their compliance, improve their data architectures, looking at improving how their own people are behaving inside the company.
Okay. Thank you so much, Hanuman. That was a wonderful information. And I request all the audience, if you have any such referral partner for Hanuman, please do refer. And you can also ask any questions since he is an IT FinTech expert of BNI Amigos. Please drop in your comments. And thank you so much for watching us. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.